Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Bayelsa State Governor Senator Douye Diri has reaffirmed his commitment to the completion of the Nembe-Brass Road project. Governor Diri, who recently visited the project site to ascertain the progress of work, assured Bayelsans of his administration's dedication to infrastructure development across the state. Governor Diri also announced plans to collaborate with the federal government on the construction of the second phase of the all-important road.
The Nembe-Brass Road project is a flagship initiative of Governor Douye Diri during his first tenure in office. It covers 21 kilometers and aims to connect the coastal local government areas of Brass and Nembe by road for the first time in Bayelsa State history. Governor Diri, who expressed satisfaction with the ongoing construction during his recent inspection visit, emphasized the project completion as a priority of his administration.
Development cannot be arrested as a result of high cost of construction. What we are witnessing will be what they call variation. The company will come up with variation, and Ministry of Works will look at it, evaluate it, assess it, and agree on the amount due for valuation.
Additionally, Governor Diri hinted at partnership with the federal government for the second phase of the Nembe-Brass Road.
His Excellency the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, whom I've met twice, and he has given me his word that he has directed the Minister of Works to collaborate by completing the second phase of this road.
In another development, Governor Diri has inaugurated Professor Nembe-Brass as the secretary to the state government, urging him to utilize his extensive experience to drive socio-economic development and ensure good governance in Bayelsa State.
I have very high hopes that Professor Nembe-Brass will bring his wealth of experience and knowledge to actively contribute to the achievements of the goals of this prosperity government.
No doubt, Professor Ayawe brings a wealth of experience, having previously served as the Commissioner for Housing and Rural Development, as well as the immediate past Executive Chairman of the Bayelsa State Board of Internal Revenue Service.
Inside the Niger Delta,